Hello everyone, happy holidays, and thanks for subscribing to my channel. Today you're back again in the kitchen with Lynn, and I'm going to show you how I make my creamy, delicious chicken fettuccine. Here I have some chicken that I did wash, and I'm cutting them up into some thin strips. Now I'm going to season the chicken with some salt, some onion and garlic powder, and some black pepper. Then I'll mix them together. Next, I'm going to heat a pan over medium heat, then add some vegetable oil. As soon as the oil is hot, just place the chicken into the pan and cook for 4 minutes. Over to a pot with boiling water, I am now adding some salt and the noodles, and let the noodles cook until they are soft. Now right back over to the chicken, and my chicken is done. I'm now placing the chicken into a dish and set aside. Into the same pan, I'm going to melt some butter. And once the butter is melted, I am going to be adding some onion and garlic, making sure that the onion and garlic cook for at least 1 minute. I'm also adding some flour, and this is going to give it a thick consistency. Sorry guys. Make sure that the flour is cooked. I am now adding some milk and stir well. I also did melt some cheese with some milk, and I'm going to add this in the mixture and let this cook for another 2 minutes. Now I am adding some black pepper, some onion powder, some cube powder, and some red pepper flakes. And the red pepper flakes is optional, guys. I also did add some salt to taste. Stir well. I'm adding some parsley flakes and a little bit of paprika. Mix well and let this cook for another minute. Now I'm going to add the chicken, and just making sure that the chicken is well covered with the sauce. My noodles are finished, and I'm going to pour the sauce over the noodle and mix well. I did use some celery to garnish mine, and you can use some parsley if you want, but I choose to use celery. And I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below. Now my noodles is finished. My creamy, delicious chicken fettuccine is done. And if you like this video, guys, kindly please like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for coming in the kitchen, and don't you forget to check the description box below.